You look so gorgeous.
You too, thank you.
You look like you're getting married.
You never know.
No, you look very nice. Please walk me through your outfit.
So it's a black dress, and somebody actually gifted it to me. She done an amazing job, and I actually just got it today. So it's
Really?
it's giving the vibes of when I just got in here. Like, it looks similar but better.
And it really works with your body. Like everything is just beautiful. Who's the designer?
I don't know. I don't know, but like I'll tag her. I'll definitely tag her when I post the pictures. Yeah.
Please, guys, DM her the name quickly.
Hey, please DM the name. I feel so bad now, but yeah, she's a beautiful girl. I'll tag her.
No, you've been doing so well. I've seen your work, and just tell us a little bit about that.
It's been amazing. Like, I can't actually be more thankful to the Ash Angels, and everybody in between and after. I don't actually call them family anymore. They family. Yeah, thank you to that.
Thank you so much. I'm not going to ask you who you're rooting for. That's obvious.
You think so? Sweet Guluva.
Who do you think is going to win?
Sweet Guluva.
Obvious.
I'm about to be a millionaire today.
A millionaire wife? Can I be your millionaire friend?
Yeah.
Now enjoy yourself. Have fun. I'll see you inside.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless.
Bye. You look really nice.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yo, everybody. Yo, can I do interviews here? And the comments have been spamming. Bring Ashley, bring Ashley, bring Ashley. We finally bought her. She is here looking absolutely dashing, man. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really great. Feeling awesome. Feeling fabulous. Yeah.
I mean, aside from the obvious, right? What are you looking forward to seeing this evening?
Sweet Guluva, nothing else.
Yeah? You heard her, man. So the money's sweet.
Very sweet.
Yeah?
Sure.
And I want to talk about your outfit quickly. What inspired this look, man?
I felt like I came in like this, similar to this, but now I'm better. So it's similar to what I had in coming inside, but better. Yeah.
So now you spiced it up.
Yeah, spiced it up. Just,
And is there anything that you want to tell people that they could look forward to seeing from Ashley the most in the next couple of weeks, couple of days? Anything that you want to speak about?
reality, guys. I'm in Joburg now, so there's no limitations.
Yeah.
We go over the sky. Yeah.
And what are you excited the most about being in Joburg?
Being in Joburg, I'm just excited to be in Joburg. Like the fresh air, the people, everything. Joburg is nice.
How do you feel seeing some of the housemates that you were in the house with right now? Is there nostalgia brewing in your head right now?
It's awesome. Everybody looks amazing. Yeah, like it's not bringing nostalgia. It just makes me feel like I'm at home. Imagine.
Ah, really? But Big Brother will always be home, man. Ashley, thank you so much for stepping in over here. You look absolutely dashing, and we will
so
see
much.
you. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Bye.
Sharp, sharp.
Thank you so much. I'm not going to ask you who you're rooting for. That's obvious.
You think so?
Yeah. Who do you think is going to win?
Sweet Guluva.
Obvious.
I'm about to be a millionaire today.
A millionaire wife? Can I be your millionaire friend?
Yeah.
Now enjoy yourself. Have fun. I'll see you inside.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless.
Bye.